After years of industry experience, an ambitious team of technology experts and financial gurus came together to discuss the business-to-business paper credit application process. They shared a simple but important vision: to optimize the way companies process credit applications and approve lines of credit. Let's take a closer look at the problem they saw. Put yourself in the shoes of a credit manager. You work for Big Chef Supplies, a kitchen supplies and restaurant hardware distributor. You're responsible for tracking credit applications and analyzing the credit risk of restaurateurs who need supplies from Big Chef. Your job is to ensure that the customers you approve for credit will pay back Big Chef for the bulk products they purchase. Say Jane, owner of Purple Tomato, a chain restaurant, wants a monthly order of plastic spoons for 2 years. She needs a line of credit for $25,000 to place this order and must complete a paper credit application for approval. She faxes you, the credit manager, her application. You discover the application is one trade reference short, so you return it to her. Then you wait. Once Jane sends it back, you fax a reference request letter to each of Jane's referees. You wait again. Jane calls you for an update on her credit application. She waits. Then Tom from sales drops in to see how soon you can approve Jane's application. You all wait some more. You send the referees reminders. A new week begins and a new week ends. Everyone is still waiting. All your customers are like Jane. They need credit to get the supplies they need for their businesses. You need to assess the risk of each of them, but instead, you spend your time chasing down incomplete financial statements, tax certificates, guarantees, and waiting. Sound familiar? Now imagine this. Bectran is an automated paperless service that enables high volumes of credit applications to be submitted and processed online with speed and accuracy like never before. With Bectran, credit managers no longer waste time tracking down paperwork. Instead, they can do what they do best: safeguard their companies from financial risk by making better, more confident decisions. Let's see how Bectran changes Big Chef Supplies' productivity and revenue stream. When Jane decides to purchase her plastic spoons, Tom, a Big Chef sales rep, directs her to the company website. There, Jane can begin her credit application online via Bectran. She inputs information about Purple Tomato, how much money she needs to borrow, her trade and bank references, and where she'd like her order shipped. Once Jane's application is complete, Bectran's proprietary algorithm compiles and analyzes application data, including credit references, financial statements, and then suggests a line of credit for approval. As the credit manager, you review the information, make your decision, and close the sale. Because Bectran alleviates unnecessary bottlenecking, you now have time to properly review credit applications from other customers that are waiting in line. Sales reps make more sales, customers receive their products sooner, and Big Chef sees notable increases in revenue. Currently, 99% of the business-to-business trade credit transactions are processed the manual way, with endless paperwork, faxing, phone calls, incomplete applications, and excessive waiting. With Bectran, companies can spend 95% less time processing applications. If a company like Big Chef Supplies makes $50 million annually, it will save over $300,000 a year when it uses Bectran. With Bectran, companies can better process credit applications securely, in real time, without having to install software, hardware, or hire IT staff. Bectran is not merely an alternative to traditional procedures, but the answer to the cumbersome challenges that prevent credit managers from doing their job. Drastically reduce your company's credit approval rate and start boosting sales today. Transform your company with Bectran.